Next video. In today's video I will show you how to do post processing effects with React 3 Fiber. So as usual I have set up all the dependencies. So I'm using nextjs, and if you check inside my packages, as usual I'm using React 3 Dray as well as Fiber, and I have added this new dependency called React 3 post processing, as well as you will require you don't require this glsa file loader, but you would require leva post processing and React 3 pref. You don't require this raw loader as well, uh, and you require 3 as well as I have added types 3 as well. So yeah, that's it. And if you look into my page.tsx, I have just taken a canvas and I have wrapped it with my own my canvas component. So if I go to the my canvas component, here as usual I have taken my canvas. Okay, so forget about this for now, and I have taken some color and I have added an effect composer element. We'll see about the effect composer in just a while. And as usual I have added the performance monitor, orbit controls, directional and ambient light, and mesh for a sphere, mesh for box geometry, and mesh for our plane. So this is the output for it. Now what I will do, I will show you each effect one by one. So there is one effect called vignette. So if you check, I will just wait, I'll need to change the color of my plane. So I will just remove this color for now. Okay, so here you can see at the bottom there are at the bottom corners there are some black shadows. So if you want, even at the top there are these black shadows. So if I just remove this, you can see over here there are these black shadows, and these are called as vignette. Next is the glitch. So here you can see this is kind of glitching. Wait, I'll just have to reload it. Sometimes nextjs compiler doesn't behave properly. So yeah, this is the glitch effect. Next is the noise one. So this is how the noise one will look like. Next one is the bloom. So I will just refresh this for now. So yeah, this is how the bloom one looks like. Then there is this depth of field. So I will just refresh this again. So here you can see the box is not affected, the cube is not affected, whereas the sphere is affected. So for if you check here, I have added this kind of stuff, that's why it is not affected. But make sure that this is kind of performance intensive. So yeah, be careful with it. Next there is this ssr. So for this I have just gotten all these props of ssr from the documentation. So I have just added it over here, and I am using the use controls from leva. So I will just comment this one out for now. Okay, so I will just refresh it. As you can see, there is a little bit of performance jank. As you can see, the frame per seconds have dropped as well. So be careful with this post processing effect. So here you can just change these values from leva, and use it according to whatever you want. So I won't show this much because there is a lot of performance implications, and my PC started to start getting slow. So yeah, I will just remove this for now. Next effect is the drunk effect. So I will quickly show you guys the drunk effect, and I will again comment it out so that my PC doesn't stop. So I have just created a ref, I have created some props, and I have created a custom element with this drunk component, a custom component. So here you can see it is kind of like a wave animation or a drunk animation, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's that. So I will just comment it out for now, and I will show you guys the how to achieve this drunk effect. So all I have done is that I have created this component, and here I am just forwarding the ref. Like this is a new thing which I have learned today as well. Like I was not aware about, you can forward the refs from one component to other component as well. So yeah, that's what this is used to do. And we have created another class called drunk effect, and here I am using fragment shader, and using that fragment shader I am just manipulating the animations for that particular scene. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.